Morning, guys. Today is Saturday, so today we'll be doing something different. Yeah, I know majority of you don't know I'm an artist. Yeah, so today I'm going to be doing some creative art. That is, I want to do some canvas painting. Yeah, in form of a frame. So yesterday I vlogged a video where I went to get all those stuffs and what I got from Hobbycraft. So today I'm going to be putting all those things in use. So let's go, guys. The following morning after the artwork was the exhibition, and this exhibition is about a new community that is about to kickstart across my campus. So they came into our campus looking for volunteers to come and give them ideas of what should be in a new community center. So I went there as a community artist and I told her my works were exhibited. Lo and behold, it was really appreciated. These are natures and atmosphere painting, and at the end of it all, the two artwork were good in this exhibition. That's one thing I liked about the wedding. Guys, this is me. Hey, yeah, your baby girl is now a signed artist. I mean, a creative artist. That is who I am now. I'm just coming back from my own artwork exhibition. Guess what? Everything is gone. I have sold everything. So for your creative artwork, Canva, acrylic painting, kindly contact your girl. Bye for now. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be cooking homemade African party jollof rice. Tag along, guys. You don't want to miss this process. So let me document this process step by step. Now I just pour the oil in the pan. I'm going to be frying my Erica tomato paste and my ground pepper. Just pour it. I pour the tomato and pepper. Fry my pork. Okay. So I'll be adding crayfish. Yeah. So I'll pour some quantity. And this is Maggi Star jollof. Looking for jollof rice.
Hello,
YouTube.
YouTube channel. Yeah.
Come on.
We just paying some good visit.
Yes,
So
we are doing housewarming.
Yeah.
Housewarming visit. Hello to my friend.
right. I'm just.
She's a wonderful Nigerian lady, Adum by name. She's sweet as her name. And this is Johnny,
JP.
the only boy in the clique.
JP.
Yeah.
So we just.
The only boy in the campus.
Right. So we just doing some quick visit. So one of our colleagues. She newly just moved into a new apartment. So we just.
We're doing some sort of housewarming. Yeah.
Yes, some housewarming. So.
Jollof,
Say
so
I.
jollof rice is gonna go down, yeah.
Yeah. Right.
We got some appetizer.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Hope you have a wonderful weekend as well.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you all.
My name is JP.
Yeah, she likes to be called JP.
And I'm Adum.
Adola.
Sweetness.
Oyinladun in full.
So guys, the jollof rice is ready. I air fried some turkey and that's it. I poured the remaining one in the storage.